Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase trading bot. First, set up your Coinbase API keys and secure them. Start by installing Python and required libraries, then create a sandbox account to test trades safely. Design a trading strategy with clear entry and exit rules, risk limits like 1% position size, and robust logging. Backtest thoroughly before live deployment and monitor performance daily to catch issues early. In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase trading bot. Next, prepare your environment and tools for development. Choose Python, install CCXD for exchange connectivity, and Pandas for data handling. Configure a sandbox account to simulate orders and prevent real losses while testing. Manage API credentials securely using environment variables or a secrets manager, and enable two-factor authentication to protect accounts before you begin live trading. In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase trading bot. Quick recommendation: if you like staying hydrated while debugging, the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, keeps drinks cold, and fits most cup holders. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and keep your focus sharp while sipping water. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase trading bot. Then, craft and validate your trading strategy before coding. Define entry and exit rules using indicators, and simulate performance with historical data across different market regimes. Add risk controls such as stop loss, take profit, and 1% position sizing per trade. Log every simulated trade for analysis, iterate on parameters, and only consider live deployment after consistent, repeatable backtest results and forward testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.